Assalamualaikum. We are from Diploma in Science for the course Fundamental of Organic Chemistry, and our group will be presenting about the dragon fruit, where we as a group will be explaining about the backgrounds, the benefits and also the active compounds included in dragon fruit. Our group consists of 3 members, starting with me, Irfan bin Muhammad Zaimi, the student ID 2024-662-384. Secondly, Ahmad Akil Haikal bin Ahmad Azrai, the student ID 2024-804312. And last but not least, Muhammad Zahir bin Kamil with the student ID 2024-282342. We will start off with the introduction, where I will be explaining about the background of dragon fruit. First of all, its common name is dragon fruit or pitaya, but it's commonly recognized as dragon fruit because it is easier to remember. The scientific name is Hylocereus imbetus, and for the genus is also Hylocereus. Its family is Cactaceae, which is the cactus family, and its origin is around the Central America, which is Mexico, Nicaragua, Guatemala and Costa Rica. In the 16th century, the fruit was introduced to the Philippines by the Spanish and later into Indochina. Later on, the fruit is acclimatized and become a major food crop of region due to conducive climatic conditions. The reason the fruit is called a dragon fruit because the outer layer of the fruit has a bright red or pink scales that looks like a flames or scales of a dragon, thus inspiring the name of a dragon fruit.
Okay, next I will explain about benefit of dragon fruit. Firstly, dragon fruit rich in nutrients. Dragon fruit contains many other nutrients such as calcium, beta-carotene, B1 vitamins, B2 vitamins, C vitamins, phosphorus and flavonoids. These nutrients help strengthen the immune system and support healthy bones. In traditional medicine, it has been used to boost energy and improve digestion. Next, dragon fruit also can regulate blood sugar. Red dragon fruit contains the components that can provide a hypoglycemic effect, which serves to balance blood glucose levels, such as fiber and antioxidants, flavonoid. It has also been traditionally used to support diabetes management and improve metabolism. Additionally, dragon fruit high in antioxidant. Dragon fruit is rich in antioxidants like polyphenols, carotenoids, and betalains found in its peel, flesh, and seeds. These compounds help protect the body by neutralizing harmful free radicals and preventing cell damage. Traditionally, it is consumed to promote longevity and reduce inflammation. Lastly, dragon fruit is good for skin. Vitamin B3 from dragon fruit lowers dangerous cholesterol levels while also moisturizing and smoothing skin. It also reduces blood pressure and improves vision. In folk remedies, dragon fruit pulp is applied to soothe sunburn and treat acne due to its cooling and healing effect.
Hi, I'm Ahmad Akil Haikal bin Ahmad Azrai, and I'll be talking about active compound. And the first one is betalains. They are natural nitrogen-based pigment responsible for the red-purple color of the red dragon fruit. There are 2 types. The first one is beta-cyanins, and the second one is beta-xanthines. Now after that, their main biological effects. They are strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity. They also improve vascular health and reduce oxidative stress. Next, they are shown to have an anti-cancer and antimicrobial effect in lab studies. They can be found most concentrated in a peel and red pulp of Hylocereus polyrhizis and H. consterecensis. They are commonly used as natural food colorants and nutraceutical ingredients due to their high bioactivity. As you can see on the right, there is actually a betalain structure The main functional group in betalains include a cycloimine structure, a highly conjugate system, and phenyl groups in beta-cyanines, and various amines or amino acids in beta-xanthines. Betalains are a homologous series of pigments based on a betalamic acid core. Next active compound is flavonoids and phenolic acid. Their main compound is flavonoids, which is quercetin and campherol and myristin. Next is phenolic acids, which is gallic, caffeic, ferulic, and chlorogenic acid. About their function, they are strong antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. They also support heart health and anti-aging and anti-cancer effects. And last but not least, they contribute to fruit color, stability, and flavor. They located higher in peel than pulp. Red varieties richer than white ones. About their application, they are commonly used in functional foods, cosmetics, and nutraceuticals. On the right, as you can see, there are flavonoids and phenolic acids structure. For flavonoids contain phenolic hydroxyl, carbonyl, methoxy, and glycosidic functional groups. And about its homologous series, they are based on common C6, C3, and C6 skeleton with variation in hydroxylation, methylation, and glycosylation patterns. On the other hand, phenolic acid are aromatic compound with phenyl hydroxyl and carboxyl group. About its homologous series, they are compound differing by small regular change along a shared aromatic acid backbone. Next is essential fatty acid. Essential fatty acid makes up 50 to 70% of total seed oil fatty acid. Their role is vital for cell membrane integrity, brain function, and skin health. As an antioxidant synergy, they work with tocopherols, which is vitamin E, to prevent lipid oxidation and enhance oil stability. And about its varietal effect, red flash varieties often shows higher linoleic acid content than white ones. As you can see on the right side is their structure, and their main functional group is carboxylic acid group. They also belong to the homologous series of polyunsaturated fatty acid. Next, I will be talking about tocopherols. Their main type is alpha tocopherol and Y tocopherol. They are concentrated in dragon fruit seed oil. Next, they function as a potent lipid-soluble antioxidants, which is protect cell membranes from lipid peroxidation. About their content, they vary by species and maturity. Red flash varieties often show higher levels. On the bottom right, you can see its structure. Tocopherols belong to a homologous series called tochromanols. Tocopherols actually have two primary functional groups. The first one is chromanol ring. The second one is a long saturated phenyl side chain. The last active compound is polysaccharides and dietary fiber. They are mainly pectin, cellulose, and hemicellulose in pulp and peel. They function to improve gut health, promote prebiotic activity, and aid digestion. In terms of bioactivity, dragon fruit polysaccharides show antioxidant, immunomodulatory, and anti-diabetic effects. In terms of its location, polysaccharides abundant in peel, fiber mainly in pulp and seeds. On the right side, as you can see, that is actually a polysaccharide structure. Polysaccharides is also a homologous series of carbohydrate polymers. And last but not least, about its functional groups, polysaccharides contain hydroxyl, ether, carboxyl, and occasionally acetyl/methyl groups.